So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Microsoft Store is not starting or it is stucking on a black window. Now there are multiple reasons and there are multiple ways to fix that. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to clear the cache of Microsoft Store. Now in order to do it, simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard and type this prompt, that is wsreset.exe, and hit enter. Now what it does, it simply clear the caches and start the Microsoft store from a scratch. And if it's not fix your issue, simply go to the settings of your laptop and go to apps, and here find the Microsoft Store in the install apps. You can simply scroll down till the last and go to this option of system components, and here you'll see this option of Microsoft Store. Simply click on the three dots, hit on advanced options, and here you'll see this option of repair. Simply click over there, and that's definitely gonna solve your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.